everybody, this is Mark. I'm going to try a demonstration of this new hydrogen water stick from Dr. Hitachi. What basically happens, well, me and Ali, we've pretty much agreed on this. This stick is quote-unquote supposed to be a rock that filters water, and it's originally from mountains. So we're going to put it in here. It starts bubbling. The advertisement's right, and what basically happens is the negative particles in this get attracted to this, which is the hydrogen stick, and you're supposed to clean pure water, and you, in other words, keep down the acidity in water. And we're going to put it to the test, and you basically rip it off the bag, you drop it in, you put the top, and it'll start bubbling. You can see the bubbles. Yeah. It's supposed to attract the negative ions off the water, so you get more pure water and less. You have less acidity in it. So you're basically drinking clean water. When this thing starts getting negative particles all over it, it gets attracted to it, and basically you flush it off in the sink and rinse it off and reuse it.
What do you think about the doctor?
About the doctor, what do I think about the doctor? He's a doctor. You know, a person's a doctor, gets a PhD degree, they study, and, huh? Yeah, you know, it's higher power. The guy sees things that me and you don't, you know? You know, eyeballs, neurons, brains, and this and that. So basically, he's a cardiologist. And there's other cardiologists that put in a test. The pH testers have proven it. Seeing that they've proven it, so numbers don't lie, people do, so why not? Give it a shot. Now you can see the bubbles in it. See it really bubbling?
What's the bubble mean?
Well, the bubble means that it's activated. It's the we don't see it, like like you don't feel your blood working. It's in other words, if you take a perfect example, if you smoke crack, you feel it. Oh, a perfect example. Yes, Ali, that's a good point. You know when you're working and you got to pick a booger. So when you pick a booger, it's moving, it's working, it's going there, but you don't feel it until it's time to pull it out of your nose. So this is the same abstract thinking. It's just basically to lower the pH level, the acidity in your stomach, and give your body. If we're all flowers, we want to shine and live bright and everything. This is it. You know, it's like going to Yemen and drinking mountain water. It goes through the process of the stones. So the doctor discovered the stone. I don't know how he saw it, what ancient secrets he got. He designed it, made it, and forthwith made it. And I decided, you know, living in the Bronx, polluted area, polluted things, polluted water, calcium, high calcium, a lot of material. I've seen previous studies done on it, negative people, positive people. And what do you have to lose? You want to drink a can of soda? You know?
So how long does this thing last?
Oh, he says up to 6 months to a year, depending on.
So basically, how you use it? What do you do after you finish drinking the water? What do you do with it?
You leave it in the bottled water.
Okay.
And when you get home, you can process it again. In other words, flush it out, clean it, or just basically throw it in a 2-gallon water and keep it in the refrigerator.
To fertilize.
Yeah, let it work. Let it work the water in the refrigerator. So it's basically to lower the pH level, the acidity in our bodies. If we're flowers, they even did the test. Cucumbers, a cucumber farmer was raising the cucumbers, and all of a sudden something had happened where his cucumbers weren't growing. So he used the hydrogenated stick, and then basically watered the cucumbers with it, and sure enough, the cucumbers sprouted. They grew happy. So there's something if it's working for plants, and if we're like plants, in other words, we have cells and genetic, all this kind of stuff, so it's got to have some sort of meaning, some kind of validity.
So what's one recommendation or one thing you got to say to all these robots?
Biological robots?
Yes.
Yeah, well, by this, they say more hydrogen, more oxygen in the body, and it's a cleaner gas or whatever. Bottom line is, The body has two ways of growing, with pollutants or organic. So organic means, straight off the ground, whatever's processed, yada, yada, yada. Natural grown, natural water stuff. But people that live next to well water, they can't drink it. See how it starts to bubble up? So I'm putting it to the test. I'm the guinea pig. I'm not afraid of...
Okay, if we try to, anybody see this video and somebody trying to contact you or to reach you, can you give an email?
Yeah, my email is which is IAM, so why watch at yahoo.com. It's IAMWHYWATCH at yahoo.com.
All right, thank you very much, Mark, and we happily see you again.
I'll let you know in another 6 months.
All right, thank you, bye.
Later.